Then I'd like you to drive forward into one of the bays on your left for me, please.
On my left.
Forwards bay park, yeah.
It doesn't matter which one, isn't it?
Doesn't matter which one.
Okay.
When did you see that white van?
I saw it in the mirror.
Okay.
I didn't. Oh, look how pretty I am.
And me too.
Okay, I'll be a bad person and not see you. Oh, I didn't see that.
Sorry, Sam. Right, pop the left indicator on. He's come to a stop. I'm going to take my foot off the brake. Now you can do it.
I didn't see it.
Welcome back, everybody. My name's David. 43 plus years experience as a professional driver. Yes. 1989 when I first became a driving instructor. That was before most of you were even born. Proof? I have got another fail there.
I took my hands off the steering.
Both hands off, yeah.
I can imagine the comments there. Like, what the
Comment, come on, comment.
Oh my
Tell us what you think about Alina doing 24 on the 20.
Do you still have space on that paper to put the pedal?
I'm on the second page. Now then, you, when safe to do so, can you hit the like button, please? Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you very much. What did you get up to then? 25, 26 was it?
25, yeah. Yeah, I think I was 25.
Straight ahead of the roundabout, please. Take the next on the left for me, please. Now then, I'd like you to pull up next to that Seat, yeah? Next to him, door mirror to door mirror, and reverse back to the curb for me, please, within 2 car lengths.
Should I wait for...
Keep moving the road, keep moving ahead. What we'll do is, we'll pull up on the left just here.
Just
Front,
here, yeah.
I'd say pull up on the left just here. In there for me.
Doesn't want to say.
There we go. Reverse the car back now up to the motorbike.
To the motorbike, of course, why not? Easy peasy.
It's easy in this car. You've got a rear view camera.
But I like to check in the back.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
There we go.
Should I...
Right, let's get out of here because we're gonna. Okay, she decided to reverse into there. Put your right indicator on, just to let everybody know that we want to go. Okay. Oh my God.
Okay.
She decided. There we go. She can come into this one because she's seen our indicator. Let's go. We don't want to upset the locals. Now then. We'll use that red car instead. For the purpose of the exercise, you can ignore the driveways, pull up next to that red car and reverse back to the curb for me, please. Parallel park.
Yeah. Because you're a big bad examiner. I don't know if I should signal.
If you want.
I mean, there's no one, but
Okay.
okay. The handbrake is down. Oh. That's a big slice of pizza. Okay, there's no one coming. Why am I going that way? I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay. I did something wrong. Okay.
You've just failed your test.
I failed my test. I don't know why it wasn't.
All you had to do was stop. You'd finished. You kept it and you kept wanting to go backwards. You'd finished. You'd passed.
Yeah. Okay. And now I failed.
Get out of here for me, please.
Okay.
So why were you trying to keep going backwards
I
when
don't
you
know. It
finished?
felt like I wasn't right positioning.
No, you were
Like.
perfect.
Okay.
There we go. Handbrake off for me, please.
Isn't it?
There we go. And relax.
It's called again.
Yes. Just following the road round to the right, please.
Oh my god.
I couldn't believe what you were doing. I was thinking to myself, I want to help you, but I want you to learn as well. So like,
I don't know, it felt like the car wasn't in the right position. I was like,
how can you tell if the car's in the right position?
checking the mirrors.
That's
yeah.
right. If you look in that mirror there, and you've got the curb is straight, and the car is straight, that's it, you've finished.
Okay. They're gonna have a lot of fun.
So we're turning right at the end of the road, please. Turning right.
Okay.
Turning right. Can I just stop you there for a second?
Yep. Stop me there for a second.
What side of the road do we drive on in Romania?
On the right, you know. We drive on the right. So. Okay, should I reverse and go there?
Let's get out of here before a car comes that way and wants to turn in this way.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Should I just go left?
Yes, we're going left, please.
Oh my god, my husband is gonna love watching this.
What's your husband's name?
Romika.
Or what? Romika.
Yes.
Hello, Romika.
Oh
Don't laugh.
my god.
The next roundabout, we're going to go right, second exit, please.
Towards hospital, okay?
Yes.
I'm gonna wait to pass this. And then signal. Just make sure. Oh my god. Yeah. I have the right of way, isn't it? Stop it. Oh, okay.
I was just writing a little word down on here beginning with F.
What the? She stopped. Oh my god, I can't believe this is gonna be so entertaining. Oh my god. I can imagine the comments there. Like, what the
Comment. Come on, comment.
Oh my
Tell us what you think about Alina doing 24 on the 20.
I'm just giving up slowly.
Look.
Okay.
I'd like you to pull up next to that car and reverse back to the curb for me, please. We'll do one more parallel park, okay?
Give me one more chance.
One more chance. You can redeem yourself now, okay?
Guys.
Do you want help from me?
Oh, if I do something wrong, yeah, please.
Okay.
Because they've seen what they've did. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna cry. I'm just gonna wait for him to go just to make sure. He looks very...
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm not helping you. There we go. You spotted me. Oh,
I told you to help
I was
me.
telling them she's turned the steering wheel the wrong way.
I told you to help me if I do something wrong.
Oh, okay.
And you were...
There we go, see?
Okay.
So it's all of us against Alina, okay?
I bet you are. All of them, okay? I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. Why it's not going how it's supposed to go? Okay.
Just stop there for a second. You didn't take enough pizza, okay?
I didn't take
It was only like that. It was only tiny.
Okay, so
That's why we're so far. Now then, you can still get out of it.
if I...
That's it. Now then, look in that mirror, okay? When the side of the car and that curb are parallel, stop. Are you parallel?
A bit... I think this...
There we go. Now then, you have no option now, okay? You're going to have to take one minor and pull it forwards and get a little bit closer to the curb because we're a little bit too far away from that car, okay? Because you've got to do it within 2 car lengths.
Okay, so...
Yeah? So you will get one minor for it, but it's still a pass, okay? There we go. Get me closer to the curb.
So it's still a pass, but...
You get one minor. For a readjustment, it's one minor, okay?
Okay.
There we go. Have you finished?
Oh my god, no, I'm not. I'm crying.
Have you finished?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, not wrong.
Okay, there we go. Thank you. Move away when ready, please. So you had one minor just for a readjustment, okay? If you're not happy with it, just readjust, okay? Take that one minor. You've got 14, 15 minors to play with. Yeah, unless you're a terrible driver. If you've got 14, 15 minors, you don't deserve a license, okay? Yeah? So just take that one minor and have a readjustment. Move away when ready, please.
I'm gonna cry. I'm dry, okay? Just check. One more fail to go, then.
A few minutes later.
Ooh, what was that?
Do you think that was a little bit hesitant?
The bus is big, you know? Yeah, it was a bit. So, is it like, what do you say? A fail again? Because I hesitate?
24 and a 20.
No. I didn't see that. Do you have any proof?
I've got plenty of proof. I have got another fail there.
I took my hands off the
Yep,
steering.
both hands off, yep.
Do you still have space on that paper to put the fail?
I'm on the second page. Straight ahead of the roundabout, please.
Oh my god. I mean, guys, believe me, I'm learning, okay? Oh my god.
Now then.
Another 24. Sorry, I failed again.
Another 25. I didn't even see you.
So you're gonna see it on the camera, no point of hiding.
I will, yeah.
Oh my god.
A few minutes later.
Now then, reverse into one of these bays here for me, please. Nice and straight for me. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. Slowing it down, slowing it down. A little bit further, a little bit further. Go to the next one, go to the next one. Slow it down, slow it down. Stop. There. That's it. Full lock.
Pew, pew, pew.
Pew, pew, pew.
Oh my god, why did I do that?
Observations, observations, observations.
Okay, why not?
That's it. Easing off that brake pedal. Super slow, super slow. There we go. Look at your lines. I think you can see your lines.
Yep.
When we're straight, stop. That's it. Excellent. Well done. Easing off a little bit more.
Okay.
Stop. That's it. Handbrake on into neutral. Right. Lean into me. Look in that camera and pull a funny face.
And now I'm sad. I fell.
Pull a funny face.
I fell on my face.
Oh my god. 10 times.